In this video, I'll show you step by step how to turn a normal document or PowerPoint into a complete AI avatar video using Leadde.
Let us now proceed to examine the key stages of the onboarding journey.
By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create videos from text, PDFs, or PowerPoints, convert slides using the slide presenter feature, and customize everything, including templates, avatars, AI voices, visuals, highlights, and even multilingual versions.
El idioma de tus clientes.
Je m'appelle Marcus.
我是 Emily Lee， 支持多语言交流。
All inside one simple workflow. Grab 10% off on Leadde with coupon code CREATEWITHAI10. Link in description to supercharge your video workflow today. When you open the Leadde dashboard, you'll usually see two main creation options: AI Video Creator and Slide Presenter. Understanding the difference is important. AI Video Creator is best when you're starting from scratch. Maybe you only have raw text, a long document, or even just a rough idea. Slide Presenter, on the other hand, is designed for when you already have slides or structured documents and want to quickly convert them into a presenter-style video. Let's start by creating a video from a document. Click on AI Video Creator and create a new project. Give it a simple name like Employee Onboarding Overview so it's easy to manage later. Now you can either paste your text or upload a longer PDF such as an HR guide, training manual, or product documentation. Once uploaded, Leadde analyzes the content, detects sections and key points, and automatically generates a structured outline along with a draft narration script. This removes the need to manually summarize long documents and gives you a solid starting point instantly. Next, you can refine the tone of the narration. Depending on your use case, you might choose a formal tone for compliance content, a friendly tone for onboarding, or a more engaging tone for explainers. The AI rewrites the script while keeping the meaning intact, making the narration feel more natural and watchable compared to the original document. After that, Leadde converts your content into scenes. Each major idea becomes its own visual frame on the timeline. You'll notice that text blocks and key highlights are already placed automatically. This is where Magic Highlight becomes useful. It emphasizes important phrases while the avatar speaks,
Key stages of the onboarding journey and the effective practices that define a successful
helping viewers focus on what matters most and improving clarity, especially for training or instructional videos. Now you can style the video visually. Open the template library and choose a layout based on your use case, such as training, explainer, or announcement style. Then select a digital avatar from the avatar library. These avatars act as your presenter and give the video a human feel without recording anything manually. After choosing an avatar, pick an AI voice and language. You'll find different accents and voice styles, allowing you to match the tone of your audience. You can also boost the visual impact using AI-generated images and videos. Just pick Nano 2 or GPT Image 1.5 for images, and use Kling 01, Sora 2, or VO 3.1 to create videos. Once the structure is ready, you can enhance visuals using the built-in media editor. Leadde allows you to generate images using text prompts, which is useful for creating backgrounds or icons that match your topic. You can also replace visuals, adjust fonts, change colors, and reposition elements so the video aligns with your brand style. This ensures the final output feels customized rather than generic. When everything looks good, preview the video. The preview lets you watch the full avatar presentation with transitions, highlights, and voiceover. Use this step to check pacing and clarity. If needed, you can still tweak the script or visuals before exporting. Once satisfied, export or download the video and use it for training platforms, internal communication, or content distribution. Now let's quickly look at the PPT to video workflow using Slide Presenter. Go back to the dashboard and choose Slide Presenter, then upload your PowerPoint. Leadde reads the slides and automatically builds a video structure with narration based on the slide text. You can choose whether you want a short overview or a more detailed walkthrough. On the timeline, you can reorder scenes or adjust timing so each slide gets the right focus. Just like before, apply a template, add an avatar, and select an AI voice. The avatar will present your slides naturally, and Magic Highlight will emphasize key phrases directly on the slide while the narration plays. This makes dense presentations much easier to follow without redesigning your slides. One of the most powerful features is translation. Once your main video is ready, you can duplicate the project, select another language, and let the AI translate the script and regenerate the voiceover. The layout and visuals stay the same, allowing you to create multilingual versions without rebuilding the video from scratch. Leadde supports 90+ languages and 175 accents, so you can localize content for almost any audience without extra production work. For example, imagine you have a 20-page employee handbook. You upload it into AI Video Creator, generate the script, choose a friendly onboarding tone, and apply a clean training template. Add an avatar, generate simple visuals, and let Magic Highlight emphasize important policies. Once the English version is ready, duplicate it and create versions in Hindi or other regional languages using the translation feature. In a short time, a static document becomes a multilingual training video that's far more engaging and scalable. And that's the complete Leadde workflow. Use AI Video Creator when starting from text or long documents, and use Slide Presenter when you already have slides and want fast PPT to video conversion. With templates, avatars, AI voices, generative visuals, highlights, and built-in translations, Leadde makes it possible to create professional presenter-style videos without traditional production effort. Don't forget to grab 10% off with coupon code CREATEWITHAI10 at checkout. Perfect for trying Leadde on your next project. If you'd like, I can create a deeper tutorial focused only on branding and templates, or a dedicated walkthrough on multilingual scaling. Let me know what you'd like to see next.